here to witness the transformation of a lady come into a boom and find a lady. Alright, my name is Doris Canal.
And of course, my name is Sina Angel.
And we are your hosts
for today's event. And of course, to formally begin our celebration, may I request to please all rise as we witness a fine lady and now
turn into a bold
lady. And of course, a round of applause to Miss Eloisa Maynero together with his loving father.
Alright, isang masigabong palakpakan para sa ating debutant for today. Wow, very beautiful in her violet gown. And then, she's so pretty.
Down deep inside your pocket, we almost forgot it. Does it ever miss with?
Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, isang masigabong palakpakan para sa ating birthday celebrant,
Eloisa Maynero.
And of course, this celebration is not just only a birthday celebration because we are celebrating a Thanksgiving party for Sir Edmond Nero for his retirement. Palakpakan naman po natin ang father ng ating debutant.
And bago po yun, may request the father of Miss Eloisa May to give us a welcome address.